the given slope is 2/3, while the given point is 5 comma negative 2. Again, step 1 to find the equation of a line, we need to write first the given pattern. Okay, so this is the pattern of point slope curve. Okay, then next step, we need to put a label here. So ito lang po yung lalagyan natin kasi ang slope naman natin dito ay isa lang po. So we need to put x, y, and 1, 1. Then after that, substitute. Okay, first bring down y at x kasi ito po yung variables natin dyan. Then what is y sub 1?
Negative 2.
So since y sub 1 is negative 2 and meron tayong subtraction, okay, we need to put parenthesis. And what is the slope? 2/3. Minus, what is x sub 1?
5.
Okay, then after that, let's check the slope. Again, what is the slope?
2/3.
Okay, fraction po ito, tama? So what we're going to do? If the slope is a fraction,
Bring 3.
okay, we need to,
Bring 3 to the left.
okay, ano gagawin natin kay 3? Okay, dadalhin natin sa left side. So this will become 3 times y. Then simplify na natin, anak. Negative times negative.
Positive.
Magiging positive 2 na po yan. Is equal to, atira sa right side, 2 over 2 multiplied by the quantity of x minus 5. Okay, bakit 2? Kasi yung denominator, anak, dinala natin sa left. Then natira, yung numerator. Then since meron tayong parenthesis, we need to distribute 2 at 3 twice. 3 times y?
3y.
3 times 2? 6. Then 2 times x?
2x.
2 times negative 5.
Negative 10.
Okay, then after that, combine similar terms. What are similar terms?
Positive
Okay,
6.
positive 6 and?
Negative 10.
Okay, we're going to transpose 6 to the right side. So the sign will be
Negative.
negative. Then simplify to.
Yes.
That is the sign of 10.
Negative.
How about 6?
Negative.
Same and like.
Same.
Same and like.
Same.
Add or subtract?
Subtract.
Add. 10 plus 6? 16. Then copy the sign of the two numbers, negative. The last step is divide both side by 3 para matanggal yung numerical coefficient dito. So y is equal to 2/3 x minus, pwede ba natin i-simplify?
No.
Kapag hindi po, ito na yung sagot natin. So therefore, this is the slope-intercept form of the given slope and a point. Ano nga po ulit yung slope?
2/3.
2/3. Equal po ba?
Apo.
Okay, therefore the answer is correct. Now, rewrite the given. Slope to standard. Transpose what?
2/3.
2/3. The sign will be?
Negative.
Okay, negative. Plus y is equal to sign.
Negative.
Negative 16 over 3.
3.
Do you think this is already the answer?
No.
No, bakit? Kasi po si letter A ay
Fraction.
fraction at si letter A ay
Negative.
Okay, what we're going to do para maging whole number at positive?
Multiply by the denominator.
By the denominator and anong magiging sign dapat?
Negative.
Very good. Meaning, multiply both side by negative 3. O negative times negative.
Positive.
Positive na po yan. Then 3 times 2,
6.
divided by 3.
2.
Okay, 2x na lang po yan. Next, negative 3 times positive y.
Negative
Negative
3y.
3y. Is equal to, negative times negative,
Positive.
positive. Dito, pwedeng cancel na lang natin si 3. Anong matitira? 16. Negative, negative? Okay, positive 16 nga. So therefore, this is the slope-intercept form, and this is the standard form of the given slope and a point.